So, dear students, yesterday we have completed what is chemical properties of the aldehydes and ketones. So, generally, aldehydes and ketones involve in electrophilic addition reactions. So, then today we are going to discuss about chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones of addition reactions. So, first addition reaction is addition of hydrogen cyanide. So, hydrogen cyanide is the HCN. HCN. So then HCN, it can be simply represented with H, it is Cn, H plus, so generally it is the Cn minus. So now let us consider acetaldehyde. So CH3CH, C double bond O, CH3CHO is acetaldehyde. It is addition with hydrogen cyanide. So then C, it is CH3, it is H. So then H addition with oxygen, so then it is OH and it is Cn. So the obtained compound is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. So the next one is acetone. So CH3, C double bond O, CH3, acetone. Its IUPAC name is propanone. Acetone addition with hydrogen cyanide. So then oxygen addition with hydrogen, Cn addition with carbon. So then CH3, C, it is CH3, O with H, it is OH, it is Cn. So the obtained ketone is generally acetone with hydrogen cyanide. So the obtained product is acetone hydrocyanine. So it is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. It is the acetone cyanohydrin is obtained. So then next addition reaction is addition of sodium bisulfite. So sodium bisulfite is NaHSO3. NaHSO3. So sodium bisulfite NaHSO3 ionized into Na plus H plus SO3 minus 2. So SO3 minus 2 is the sulfite ion. Sulfite ion. So now let us consider acetaldehyde. CH3CHO acetaldehyde, or it is the ethanol. Acetaldehyde or ethanol. It is addition with sodium bisulfite. So then it is CH3, it is C, it is H. So then O with what is a H? O plus H, OH. Remaining is SO3 plus Na. So SO3 Na. So the obtained aldehyde is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. So next one is ketone. So it is the acetone. It is the acetone ketone. CH3 C double bond O, CH3 acetone addition with sodium bisulfite. So then CH3, it is C, it is CH3. Oxygen with hydrogen, it is OH. So then SO3 plus Na, SO3 Na. So the obtained ketone is acetone sodium bisulfite. So aldehyde with aldehydes, aldehyde sodium bisulfite. With acetones, acetone sodium bisulfites are obtained. So then next addition reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. So generally Grignard reagent is represented with RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. So in this first one is so it is the formaldehyde. It is the formaldehyde. So formaldehyde addition with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So then it is R CHH CH2. Okay na? So this addition reaction undergoes in the presence of water H2O. So then RCH2OH plus MgOHX. MgOHX. So then in this addition reaction, the alcohols are obtained. Alcohols are obtained. The obtained alcohols are primary alcohols. So it means simply formaldehyde addition with Grignard reagent, it gives the primary alcohols. What are primary alcohols? So generally primary alcohols, best example is CH3, CH2, it is OH, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the primary alcohol. Why it is primary alcohol? Alcohol functional group OH attached to the primary carbon. It means this carbon attached to another only one carbon is called, this carbon is a primary carbon. So next one is the aldehydes. So then this aldehyde is except formaldehyde, any aldehydes. So then ethanaldehyde, propanaldehyde, if you take any aldehyde. So aldehydes are treated with or addition with Grignard reagent in the presence of H2O, it gives, so simply it is CH, it is R, R dash, R dash. So then it is one oxygen, one hydrogen, it is OH, remaining is Mg, it is OH and it is X. So simply water is the OH. So the obtained alcohol is the secondary alcohol. Why? Because it is secondary alcohol. Alcohol functional group OH attached to the secondary carbon. Why it is a secondary carbon? This carbon attached with another two carbons. So it is a secondary carbon. It is a secondary alcohol. So aldehydes except formaldehyde addition with Grignard reagent in the presence of water, it gives the secondary alcohols. For example, secondary alcohols means, so then it is a C. For example, it is a CH3. It is a CH3. Okay, it is what is OH, and it is what is it is H. What is a H? So then CH3, CH. So then simply it is CH3, it is C, it is CH3, it is OH. So then it is CH. So CHOH secondary alcohols are obtained. So next one is, it is the C double bond O R double bond O R is the ketones. So then ketones addition with the Grignard reagent in the presence of water, it is C. So then O combines with one hydrogen OH, it is OH, it is R dash, it is R double dash, R dash, R double dash, remaining Mg OHX. So the obtained alcohol is the tertiary alcohol. So why? Because it is a tertiary alcohol. This alcohol functional group attached with the tertiary carbon. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is the tertiary carbon. The alcohol is the tertiary alcohols. So finally, addition of Grignard reagent, formaldehyde, only the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde gives the primary alcohols except aldehydes to give the secondary alcohols, then ketones to give the tertiary alcohols. So the next reaction is addition of alcohols. Actually, in this addition of alcohols, the obtained products is known as acetols. The obtained product is known as, these are the acetols. For example, let us consider, if you take any aldehyde RCHO, it is treated with alcohol ROH, then this mixture is passed into the HCl gas. So then it gives a intermediate unstable compound. So that is, it is CH, so it is R dash, so then it is OH. So the obtained unstable compound is known as hemiacetol. Hemi means semi, final product is acetal. So then again, this hemiacetol addition with alcohol in the presence of HCl gas, so then it is R, it is CH. So then next one is, it is OH converted into OR and it is the OR dash. R dash, it is R double dash. Generally these two are the di-alkoxides group. It is the one alkoxide. OR dash is one alkoxide. It is the second alkoxides. So simply it is R. It is O. It is R. Ether. R. It is R. O R. It is ether. It is, these are the diethers as well as these are di-alkoxides. So then the obtained compound is the acetal. So acetal means CHR dash OR double dash is called acetals. So same as, let us consider acetones. So then it is the acetone. Simply it is a ketone. R C double bond O, it is R. So then it is treated with or addition with ethylene glycol. So then what is ethylene glycol? Ethylene glycol is the CH2OH. It is ethylene glycol. So then this addition compound passed into the HCl gas, then removal of H2O molecule. So removal of H2O means dehydration. So then dehydration, the obtained product is, it is C, it is R, so then it is O. Okay, so then it is O, it is CH2. So then removal of water, so simply it can be written as it is OH and it is OH. So then removal of water means it is H2O. So it is R, it is OCH2. So then remaining it is the OCH2. So the obtained compound is known as ethylene glycol ketol. So then addition of alcohols with aldehydes, the obtained products is called acetals. So then ketones, addition with ethylene glycols, the obtained compounds are the ketols. These are the acetals and these are the ketols. So the next addition reaction is addition of ammonia. So then what is next addition reaction is addition of ammonia. So then ammonia is the NH3. It can be represented simply. It is H. It is NH2. It is NH2. So then